Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the campaign sender name or the campaign's sender name here in Omnisend. All right. So first up, I'm going to show you on how to do it for SMS. And the second step will be on how to do it via email. Okay. So for SMS, go to store settings right here. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead over to SMS. Okay. Right here. And once done, just go ahead and scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find the sender's name. Okay. Just go ahead and change this one if you want to. And once the changes have been made, just make sure to click on save right here. Okay. Now for emails, just go ahead over to campaigns. Let's go ahead and create one. Email campaign. And in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and change the sender's name. All right. Let's say that you already made your email content and you forgot to change the sender's name right here. Don't worry. You can go back. Okay, and go ahead and open up the campaign that you already made. Okay, and in here, just go ahead and go to the top left. Just click on edit right here. All right, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll be able to change your sender's name. And there you have it. That is how you change your campaign's sender name here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.